In the Reader tool, you can view the text from the corpus. You can hover over a word to see its frequency in the document. You can click on a word to see the trends across the corpus. Down here you have a bar graph showing each document in the corpus and its relative size. You can use the arrows to move through the corpus, or you can click on a bar graph to jump to that specific corpus. You can also search for specific terms to highlight them in the corpus. And up here you have the export button to open the tool in a new tab, or to export HTML code or a reference. Then you have the tool option to switch to a different tool, and the question mark to get more information on the tool.